Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix verification failed error in App Store after updating iOS. If you have updated your iOS and you're facing the verification failed error in your App Store, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you how to try to connect with a different, stable, and strongest network connection. After that, just simply go back and just go to your settings app here. Just go to Tundle, go to VPN device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, just simply go back from here and just go to software update section and try to update your software. Once you updated software, simply go back and go to transfer reset iPhone. Select reset, then select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then tap on reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings if there will be any issue with your iPhone network. It will be fixed in this app and you'll not get the issue again. So after that, you have to simply go back and after resetting your network setting, I recommend you how to try to make a force restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press and release your volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until that screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So if your issue is still not fixed, so you can try to check your Apple ID password if your Apple ID password is correct or not. So if you might see that there's an issue with your password, so try to fix that issue first. Or you can also try to go ahead to your settings app, tap on your Apple ID, and here just select sign in and security, and then try to change your Apple ID password. Tap on change password option here, and just try to change your Apple ID password by continuing with your iPhone password. Once you have created a new password, just try to use the new password in your App Store. So it might be that your issue has been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so there's the only way you just have to try to connect with Apple support team to get official help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store or you can use Apple Store web. Select iPhone from here, then select more option, select App Store, and just wait for the loading here. And then tap on get help and tap on call this. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.